Hey friends, in today's video I'm doing a demo of another one of my favorite chemical peels. It's not sponsored, but it's brown skin friendly and it helps with hyperpigmentation and acne. So before we get started, I just want to give a quick and responsible disclaimer because there are young people that watch my channel, also people that are new to skincare. So yes, I'm a licensed beauty professional. I have extensive trainings and knowledge in skincare. However, I do still work with a dermatologist and an esthetician, both whom are comfortable with me using these products in between my sessions. However, I do know that those services are not always feasible because of the financial state of the world, which is why I'm creating this video. These products are created by an Emmy Award-winning makeup artist turned licensed esthetician, and that was part of the reason she created Makeup Artist Choice, is because she wanted affordable skincare for all. So I recommend that you go to the website, you check out the products, you read the ingredients, you do extensive research before trying any of these products. And if you do decide to move forward, always do a patch test for 48 hours before doing the service, just to ensure that you don't have any adverse reactions and you don't come back over here trying to blame me. So I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump into it. So overall, my skin is pretty healthy, but I do get acne from time to time. And even if I don't pick it, I still am left with dark marks. And so last month I had a little bit of a hormonal breakout, which left me with some of these dark marks, and I'm going to be using the same brand that we used in my previous chemical peel video. So as always, we want this process to be as seamless and sanitary as possible, so we will be using disposable gloves. So the very first step of our process is going in with Makeup Artist Choice pH Prep Solution. So what the prep solution helps to do is bring our skin's pH down to about a 2.7. This helps to ensure a deep penetrating peel below the surface. It helps to clear out clogged pores, hidden blemishes. It also clears out any dirt and oil. It prevents bacteria from penetrating the skin to cause irritation, and it keeps us from having any more breakouts. So it's pretty much, we want to get it all over our face counterclockwise. I like to do my face, my neck, and also my lips. And right here, you're able to see the comparison of what came off of my skin. Typically, you will want to use gauze for your chemical peels, but if you don't have that, you can always separate cotton into thinner pieces. So now that we've finished our prep work, we're going to be going in with Makeup Artist Choice Fade Peel. And so it's a potent peel that helps to fight against hyperpigmentation. It fades acne marks, age spots, sun damage. It helps to even your tone. It deep cleans your pores. It revives your tone and texture. It helps to soften lines, wrinkles, brightens dull skin, and it's a little to no downtime. And although this footage is sped up for time purposes, I can guarantee I'm doing a really gentle job. I always start counterclockwise. I do about 2 or 3 layers on the face, and then I do my lips. And the reason I do my lips last is because your lips only have 5 layers of skin opposed to your face that have about 16. So I usually only leave my peels on between 5 and 7 minutes, but at some point it does tingle a bit, so I like to do a little bit of Vogue dance to fan my face, and then it's time to rinse. And just like a perm, you know when it's time to rinse off. You do not want to get to the point that it's tingling to extreme discomfort. And I'm always sure to rinse my skin in either cool or lukewarm water for at least 90 seconds. So our very next step, we're going in with Makeup Artist Choice Neutralizer. The purpose of a neutralizer is to control the depth of your peel and to prevent any excessive frosting. Neutralizers also ensure that the product has stopped processing on your skin, similar to that of a perm.
What? You gave Myra a perm without neutralizer.
And this is what my skin looks like immediately after the peel. Nice and fresh and supple. So now it's time to cleanse and moisturize. So the first product we're going to be using is Makeup Artist Choice Green Tea Pomegranate Cleanser. And so it has topical antioxidants that help to calm sensitive and reactive skin. And it also helps to fight against free radicals for youthful skin. Free radicals being pollution, UV rays from the sun. It helps to retain moisture, improve circulation. It brightens and it promotes collagen and elastin. It also helps to fight acne, and overall it's just a really universal cleanser for all types of skin. So I'm a big fan of double cleansing, so we're now going to go in with Trader Joe's all-in-one cleanser. It's antioxidant rich, it's dermatologist tested, it helps to nourish and renew the skin, and helps with cell turnover. It also has vitamin A, C, and E, which helps to prevent any further damage, reduces the appearance of dark spots, brightens, and it also is anti-inflammatory. And after we cleanse, we're just going to gently pat the skin dry, and this is what we're looking at post-cleanse, nice and bright. So now we're going to go with Trader Joe's Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer. It's lightweight, it's perfect for all skin types, it's fragrance and paraben free. It also has aloe leaf juice, which contains antioxidants that help to treat the skin and improve the overall appearance. It also has chamomile, which calms and helps to accelerate the cell and tissue renewal process. And my very last step is adding my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask that delivers intense, long-lasting moisture. And now we can take our gloves off and admire our fresh, supple skin. But I also want to give you an update. Filmed and uploaded this video on February 18th. As of today that I'm finishing the editing is March 5th, about 2 weeks later. And this is the footage of what my skin looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, be sure to thumbs it up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, questions, and concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. And God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye.